Build cache accelerates both local and CI builds by enabling you to share and reuse unchanged build and test outputs across your team. This ensures your build doesn't waste time rebuilding components that haven't been affected by new code changes. Develocity offers local and remote, or distributed, build cache for Gradle, Maven, Bazel, and SBT build systems. First, let's talk about the local cache. When a task or goal is run, a cache key is calculated using all of its inputs. The local cache is then checked for this cache key. If there's a cache hit, those outputs are extracted into the build directory and the execution of the task or goal is skipped. If there is a cache miss, the task or goal is executed and the results are stored in the local cache. Now, those entries are available for future task or goal executions. When paired with the remote build cache, the benefits are accessible to the entire team. To help illustrate this, let's consider a team of two developers, Developer A and Developer B. Developer A is working on a new feature. As they work, they make several incremental or experimental changes to the source files, triggering many local builds. Each of these builds populates the local build cache, ensuring future local builds remain fast. Eventually, they merge the feature, and the CI system picks up the code changes and builds them. The CI build itself leverages the build cache, only needing to build what's not already available. Any new work done by the CI build is then published to the remote build cache. The next time Developer B syncs their code and runs a local build, their build will automatically download those cache entries from the remote cache and store them in their local build cache. This allows Developer Build to avoid redoing work that the CI system has already completed, resulting in faster builds. On larger teams, potentially spread across multiple time zones, there are many code changes every day. When a remote build cache is populated by CI, all developers can take advantage of these shared build cache entries, boosting the productivity of the whole team. In just one example, the Spring Boot project saw its build times get up to 4 times faster after enabling local and remote caching. So as we've seen, using build cache significantly accelerates both local and CI builds, and even more so when combined with Develocity's other acceleration capabilities, predictive test selection, and test distribution. Contact us to learn more about using build cache in your environment.